Good morning, students. Let me tell you a small story. There was a child who flew with his parents by flight to Goa. What is Goa known for? Goa is known for tourism. So, today, dear students, we will learn about tourism from Geography Unit 2. Introduction. The word tourist was derived from an Old English word tourism, which means a person who travels out of his environment less than 12 hours or a year. The basic components of tourism. Tourism is an important source of income. It is essential part of the life. There are three components known as 3A's concept: attraction, accessibility, and amenities. Attraction is divided into two: natural attraction and cultural attraction. The examples of natural attraction are landscape, seascape, beaches, forests, fairs, and festivals. Accessibility means reachability to a particular place by means of road, air, water, and rail. Amenities means facilities of accommodations with hotel and caves. Travel organizers, tour operators, travel agents, travel insurance, safety and security. Types of tourism. There are 6 types of tourism: religious, cultural, historical, eco, adventure, and recreational. Religious tourism. People go for pilgrimage to temples in Kashi or Varanasi by Hindu, to churches in Jerusalem by Christians, to mosque in Mecca by Muslims. Historical tourism. The examples for historical tourism are Taj Mahal of India, Pyramid of Egypt, Angkor Wat of Cambodia. Even people visit forts, temples, monuments, museums, and archaeological areas. Eco-tourism, where animals and plants are preserved naturally, such as Amazon rainforest, African forest safari, trekking in Himalayas, etc. Adventure tourism. Adventure tourism means travel to remote places such as skydive in Australia, bungee jumping in New Zealand, mountaineering in peak of Himalayas, Brahmaputra river in Arunachal Pradesh. Recreational tourism. Recreational tourism aims at enjoyment and pleasure through fun activities such as waterfall, hill stations, beaches, and amusement parks. Modern types of tourism are annual holidays, industrial, seasonal, international, group, sports, health, farm, and rural. International tourism is important internationally to gather knowledge about international culture and custom. For this travel, there are forms and formalities such as passport, visa, foreign currency, air ticket, travel insurance, etc. Basic elements of tourism attractions. The fundamental elements of tourism are pleasant weather, scenic beauty, historical and cultural monuments, etc. Geographical components of tourism. landforms, mountains, plateaus, valleys, caves, sand dunes, coral, reefs, cliffs, etc. Water, rivers, lakes, waterfalls, hot springs, and geysers, snow and glacier, water currents, tides, and waves, vegetations, forest, grasslands, moors, deserts, etc. Climate, sunshine, clouds, admirable temperature, rain and snow. Animal life, wildlife, birds, game reserves, zoos, hunting and fishing, settlement features, towns, cities, villages, historical remains and monuments, culture, ways of life, traditions, folklore, arts and crafts. Tourism attractions in India. Our country, India, is known for its hospitality, spicy food, and culture. Visitors or foreigners are attracted to India's traditional lifestyle, culture, heritage, colorful fairs, festivals, landforms, climate, resources, technological parks, science museums, pilgrimage centers, wonderful arts and architectures, yoga centers, Ayurveda natural health remedies, etc. Religious tourism. Most famous religious spots of India are as follows: Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu, Kanchipuram in Tamil Nadu, Varanasi or Kasi in Uttar Pradesh, Sarnath in Uttar Pradesh, Vaishnava Devi Temple in Jammu and Kashmir, St. Francis Cathedral in Goa, Amritsar in Punjab, monasteries of Ladakh in Jammu and Kashmir. Scenic attraction is a very important factor in tourism. The examples of scenery are mountains, lakes, waterfall, glaciers, forests, and deserts. Hill stations in India. The Indian subcontinent has 7 principal mountain ranges. The largest of all is Himalayas in northern part of India. The Himalaya hill stations are Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, West Bengal, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland and Meghalaya. The Western Ghat hill stations are Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. The Eastern Ghats hill stations are Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. The beautiful hill stations in India are Kodaikanal, Ooty in Tamil Nadu, Nainital, Mussoorie in Uttarakhand, Darjeeling in West Bengal, Gulmarg in Jammu and Kashmir, Shillong in Meghalaya, Shimla or Manila in Himachal Pradesh, Munnar in Kerala, Gangtok in Sikkim. Waterfalls in India. India has spectacular and wonderful waterfalls surrounded by dense forest, huge walls of rock, lush green trees, etc. Waterfalls are seasonal or perennial. Monsoon season, the swing waterfalls are amazing. The notable waterfalls of India are Talayar waterfalls in Tamil Nadu state, Dindigul district, Jog waterfalls in Karnataka state, Shimoga district, Nakalikai waterfalls in Meghalaya state, East Kasi Hill district, Talakona waterfalls in Andhra Pradesh, Attirapalli waterfalls in Kerala state, Thrissur district. Dear students, today we have learned about tourism and its components, types of tourism, tourism attraction in India, hill stations in India, and waterfalls in India. Thank you, students, for listening to my class.